Hi, class of 2026. Welcome to IBS family. The upcoming 2 years at IBS are going to be slightly different from your graduation days. You'll have to go through various activities in the classroom and outside, which might be new for you. Therefore, few tips. The first one is practice. Practice whatever you learn in the classroom, in events, and try to relate it to the corporate world. Have a check on your performance. Take feedback from faculty, your seniors and alumni. The second tip is perseverance. Do not give up easily. Try again for the areas of your interest and which are important for you, and you will see great results in long run. And final tip is integrate. Integrate whatever you learn to your personality, not just academics, but extracurricular activities, not just specialization, but other allied areas, not just individual performance, but public interaction, teamwork. Hope you have blessed and productive 2 years at IBS.